Okay, I just wanted to run through a bit of my studio. I got quite modest setup, as I always have. First, I want to start with the monitors. These are Yamaha HS7s, and they're very affordable, very affordable. I bought mine virtually new. They were kind of second hand. I got a very good deal for them. Didn't cost me much, and they're incredibly honest. I've used real good monitors in my day, and I really recommend these. If you can make your music sound good on these, if your room isn't too badly acoustically treated, if you can make them sound good on these, they'll sound pretty good. Pretty good everywhere. I mean, I've played a lot of festivals, and I didn't need anything better than this, and of course the knowledge. So let's go to the sound card now. This guy, that's the RME 5-Face 400. It's an old style of connection using the Firewire, and it's I had to get a couple of adapters and also a power supply for my sound card. But it meant I spent £250 on the second-hand sound card that has seriously quality chips, conversion chips, and also a really good preamp inside, so the recordings of the guitar are really good. And I also take this live with me, so that's phenomenal. The new ones will cost you $1,000 or so more. I got it for $250. Just had to get the connections for the Firewire. So apart from that, all I really use is a decent mouse. I spent a good amount of money on a mouse because I'm a mouse guy. I don't really use hardware or controllers. And then the other bit of kit that's extremely important is the computer. So I use the same MacBook Pro for about 11 years or something. It lasted me so long. It was a 2012 MacBook Pro, and it lasted me for a long time. And I traveled all around the world with it, and finally, no, it didn't even die. You know, it's just sitting right there. It's my movie computer now. Now I bought one in 2019, a really good MacBook Pro, 2019. It's got the Mark II SSD there, and 16 gigabytes of memory, and also the i9 processing chip. So it's powerful enough to do a lot of things. Allows me to get really heavy stuff happening in Ableton without any lag or glitching, and that's really important. So always think, computer, monitor, sound cards. That's what you need. And the room I'm in, I've got a lot of coats up there. I've got my bed there, and all that padding helps to absorb sound. I've got some pretty cheap foam, but it's quite heavy, so it does absorb some bass. Without it, it's really noticeable. So, and the mattress, the bed always absorbs a lot of sound. A good rug. Yeah, that's all you need. Got a couple of guitars hanging on the wall, and I'm good to go to write any music that I desire. And it's a magical world in which you can make professional sound with little means. You just need to save up a wee bit, and you're good. Hope you enjoyed what I had to share about my little studio. So let's get to it. Next part, blah, blah, blah.